This is an outdoor fixture, and we're going to show you the install and what it's about. The fixture is easy to hang for all weather, placed in the front, back, side, business, residential, and more by the garage and patio. Let's get started. We have a 20-inch outdoor light fixture made of plexi, strong, with a candelabra pendant, bulbs not included. You have an option of an E12 60-watt bulb or a smart E12 bulb for different types of colors and more. It measures 7¼ inches in diameter all around. It measures as high as 21 inches. We have a handle as decoration, and we have an opening to get into the bulb and the bracket. You may hook up hardwire to a wall switch, dimmer switch, and more. We're going to show you what this looks like in the evening hours and how to install. For our demonstration purposes, this is by the garage hanging up. We have a junction box and leads that we're connecting and securing down. Grounding, securing the load and neutrals. Lock all 4 bolts down on the bracket. Adjust your candelabra in any angle you desire. Test out and ready to use a maximum of 40-watt bulbs. We'll come back in the evening hours to demonstrate what it looks like. On the side over here, unscrew on each side, adjust and re-screw in to tighten up for the handle to be 90 degrees. The candelabra outdoor fixture, garage, patios, doorways, backyards, on the wall. It is made of plexi, metal, polish, shaped as a large lantern with the bottom opening, IP rated, weather resistant, all season. It is a 20-inch, 7.5 by 7.5 by 20 inches plus in height. I hope you enjoy your candelabra lantern outdoor 2-light fixture with a maximum of 2 40-watt bulbs run off of a switch. Enjoy your outdoor lighting fixture, and thank you for viewing.